Okay, this is the video of my bling art. I haven't got it on the wall yet, up on the wall. I'm outside to try and show you how much oh my gosh, and it's really windy. So just trying to show you how much glitter and the mirror glass has brought into it. It just shines and sparkles away. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm very pleased with it. That black area has just got, you can't, the colour shift. So out in the sunlight here, it's just sparkling away. I know lots of people said on the video that I just put up, you didn't put the finished product, but it actually, I did leave it finished as it was. I just didn't add this finished video to the end, so I'm going to post this video because I've had so many comments on that particular video to ask me to do so. So yeah, even this lovely, I'll try and get closer, this kind of white snow area, can you see the white snow area on this? I left it because it is so sparkly and beautiful. Yeah, it's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I love it, and I like that it's all off and not all symmetrical. And somebody said, oh, I don't know why you're doing icicles or winter scene, but it isn't. It's not actually done for that process. It's done to be a bling art. I'll try and post some photos on my channel or my Facebook art page of sort of rooms that are done up with this style. There's a Z Galleries style, I think, is a furniture place that shows sells all the kind of glamour stuff. Okay, I'll just give you a quick shot of what my morning's like here. Okay, this is my very pregnant dog. She's an Australian Shepherd, Bindi, eating her raw bone. But as you can see, she's quite wide because she should be due to have her Australian Shepherd puppies probably by the weekend. But yeah, very windy today, and it's got a bite in the air. It's quite chilly. So I think it must be snowing down south. I'm in a Queensland Sunshine Coast in Australia, and it's it doesn't snow here where I am, but if it's snowing down south, we do actually get the like a real bite in the wind. So this is my piece of paradise, I call it. So yeah, that mountain over there is called Croy Mountain. Property down there, our property goes right down to the very bottom where you can see the trees and the other building. So we've got quite a fair bit of land for the horses, and we just adjust horses, they're not our horses. So, but yeah, I thought I'd give you a little bit of shot of where my inspiration. Look, I mean, I can go into my art room and look at this, and who would not be inspired? It's just beautiful. Very blessed. Okay, you guys, I hope you enjoyed that little bit of a tour and my bling art. So thank you so much for joining me, as I always am so appreciative of you all, and for subscribing to my channel and the lovely comments. So bye for now.